guys, who do we have here?
Christina.
What are we doing today?
Jumping out of an airplane.
We're gonna have perfect good airplanes. You guys must be crazy. Whose idea was it?
It's mine.
Your idea?
Yeah.
Your fault if things go wrong?
Exactly.
Any last words?
At least I died in a cool way.
There you go. I like that. We're not gonna die today. We're gonna take you up 10,000 feet, get you down on a parachute. You ready for it?
Yes.
Let's go do it.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, found an airplane.
Found one.
You ready for it? Get in, get up, and get out of this thing.
Yes.
High five. There we go.
Do it. Woo.
Fucking amazing.
Yeah?
Absolutely amazing.
You like it?
I do.
Fuck
this
yeah,
is
dude.
fantastic.
It's a great morning to do this.
Absolutely beautiful. Woo!
Alright, man, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
That was fantastic.
Yeah?
Great time.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I think when we were spinning on the way down.
Yeah.
That was probably my favorite part.
Dude. Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. That's what we like to hear. Thanks for jumping with us. That was super fun. Woo!
Hell yeah.